that we're not going to do that to the families of the victims, that this is something that if you commit these crimes, that you do not get that other opportunity. So, Mr. President, I would move the amendment.
Thank you, Senator. Senators move the amendment. Chair recognizes the floor leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Before I address the amendment, just parenthetically, I just got notice that the Browning family, the grandparents of the case that was referenced by the senator from Carroll County, they actually support this bill. They lost their child and their grandchild in that event that you heard, in that terrible tragedy, and they've come forward and said they'd support this bill. So that's just a parenthetical thought. So a victim that's been associated with every real life event that's been referenced here on the floor today has come forward and said we support this initiative. But my arguments against this amendment are the same as the last one. It's because of the Miller factors that are enshrined in the bill. Again, the nature of the offense, any statement offered by the victim or the victim's representative, and any other factor that the court deems relevant. Again, the case file soup to nuts, all the details, everything that's been fleshed out through the system comes in and is reviewed by the judge at this hearing. So I'd ask the body to resist the amendment.
All right. Any senators who have not yet spoken wish to speak? If not, Chair recognizes the maker of the amendment.
Thank you, Mr. President. The victims of a crime like that can't speak because they're dead. And we can find people who may decide that they support this bill, and that's fine. And I give them tremendous credit for having that view. But the fact remains that the law is there to provide justice and to set a standard for what we accept in society.